decided to go to one of the seminars where I met Dr. Wilson and his team here at Regenesys. And after listening to his presentation, I really learned a lot, and I then came to the office for a consultation where I learned even more, and I was facing a double knee replacement, and so everything that I learned from Dr. Wilson led me to the ultimate decision to go forward with stem cell therapy here at Regenesys. And so I did that in addition to PT and medical massage, and I worked here with his team for several weeks now, and I've had excellent results. I feel so much better. I have hope, and I'm walking and climbing stairs, things that I wasn't sure that I would ever do again. And it's been a great experience. I can't recommend it highly enough. Both my knees were done in the same day, and I walked in and then I walked out. So it was very simple, very painless, and everything was explained to me so well, and I understand everything that I need to. I think going forward, I'll still continue to work with his team here when I need it, and I know that they're there for me if I ever need anything. So I love it.